Result of the wind. Oh, hello. Hmm? Very cold today. Very, very windy this morning. It's I'm walking down to Sainsbury's to get my poor Corolla some food. She's off working and God, so I just got out of the supermarket. Here's my evidence of that. And it's so freaking windy. And my ears feel like they're gonna fall. On the plus side, the wind's behind me, so it's pushing me back up the hill, which is nice. Oh, the lights of Darwin. Anyway, so I think I'm going to start having this van for sale soon. So, if anybody wants to buy it, or knows anybody who wants to buy it, it's a 2003 Ford Transit Connect. It's blue. I'm looking for offers around £2,500 mark. If you know anybody, leave a comment. Well, 4 hours later, it appears the wind has died a little bit. Well, that was my mum's car then. I don't know if my mum's working today, so I've got my hands full. Give me a second. So, again, very quick shift. So I'm in tomorrow filming a video with the management, and that's all I'm going to say about that. This should be fun. Yes, hungry van. Oh, lonely road. Oh wait, there's some cars. So, Corolla's feeling much better today, which is nice. I've just realized, I've just moved all the video clips off the camera because I need to make room for tomorrow, just in case I use up all the memory card, which I doubt I'm going to do, but, you know, paranoia, me, I know. And, anyway, as it turns out, I went on my channel, my YouTube channel, this one to be exact, just to see how, you know, how it went and how it was doing. Anyway, as it turns out, I haven't uploaded any videos for the last 3 days. Whoops. I mean, I've edited them, so anyway, so I've got 2 of them going right now, so hopefully they'll be done before. So it's currently 12:30 now. So I'm currently going to play a little bit of the old yeah, of course I am. And then I'm going to go to bed. So, I'm going to grab that quilt over there. And I'm going to cozy up with my cat, wherever he is. Anyway, so we're going to say good night, take care, have fun, and we'll see you tomorrow.